Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today's recipe is Hara Bhara Kabab. Let's start the recipe. Firstly, in the boiling water, I am adding half bunch of spinach or palak and allow it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes until it is cooked completely. Now take it out from the water and keep it aside. Now on another pan, add some oil, half tablespoon cumin seeds and 1 tablespoon ginger and 5 to 6 green chilli chopped. Fry them to 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 cup of beans, 1 cup of soaked peas or fresh peas. Now cook them. After beans and peas are cooked, now add boiled palak and some salt. Now give it a quick mix. Now turn off the flame and allow them to cool for 10 minutes. And now add to a mixer jar. And add some coriander and grind it to a smooth paste. Now take a bowl and I am adding already boiled and smashed 3 large potatoes and our grind paste. Some salt and chaat masala and very little turmeric and mix them. And 2 spoons of corn flour. Now again mix them. And our kebab mixture is ready. Now apply some oil to our hands and take a little bit of kebab mixture and press them into a small patties as I am showing in the video. And add a cashew in the middle and press it. Same way do the remaining also. Now in another pan, add some oil. We're gonna shallow fry these kebabs now. Drop it in the oil one by one slowly. Keep frying them on medium flame. Once the kebab turn golden color on the other side, now flip them. In the same way, allow it to cook on the other side also. After few minutes, flip them. The kebab has nice color both the sides. Now off the flame. And there's our Hara Bhara Kabab is ready. If you like the video, then give it a like and subscribe for G Home Cooks for many more videos. Thank you.